It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video, you are going to learn everything you need to know about WeChat step-by-step tutorial. So let's move on. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you are already new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about WeChat topic, you'll be notified. So with that being said, so let's jump into the tutorial and see how to actually use WeChat, a Chinese chat app. So let's go. Welcome back, friends. So let's see step by step on how to use WeChat app, step by step tutorial. So the first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your WeChat. So I'm going to click on here to open my WeChat. So I haven't opened up my WeChat. So from the default page right here, the home screen, you're going to see all your contact right here. But if you have not have any contact in your WeChat list, what you want to do is to add a contact to your WeChat list, and there are three ways to do that. One of the first way to add contact to your WeChat list is to get the person WeChat number. The second way is to make use of QR code to add the person contact into your WeChat list. The third way is to use the person WeChat ID to add the person to your contact friend list on WeChat. So let me quickly show you the first way to add contact to your WeChat friend list. So for you to do that, just click on the search icon at the top right here. Then come to the search engine, click and hold down and paste. Then you're going to see the result right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on search mobile or QQID. So you're going to see the contact details. So next thing you want to do, you can edit the contact right here to change the name you want to use to add a contact. So let me quickly click on that. Then right here, I will change the name to 1688 supplier. Then I will click on save right here. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to add to contact. So you can see the name has changed. So I'll click on here to add to contact. Then I'll come down here, I'll click on send friend request. So request sent, successfully sent. So this is one of the first way to add to contact list. So this person here will review the friend request and approve the friend request or decline friend request. So after they have approved your friend request, so you're going to have the person in your contact list, just like what you see right here. Okay, so the second way to add to contact list on WeChat is to make use of QR code. For you to do that, just click on discover right here, then navigate to scan. Then you have to click on album right here. Then you have to look for the person QR code. So once it scans the QR code, then it prepare it, and then a contact will be found. So you can see right here, then you can easily add the person to contact. So this is the second way to add contact list into your WeChat. So once you add the person to contact, so you can see the person right here, which has been already added. So I just show you how to add contact into your WeChat contact list. So that is for adding contact list on your WeChat. So another thing you can do on WeChat is to do transaction on WeChat. If you want to be doing transaction on WeChat, you have to make sure you click on this plus sign button right here. So it takes you to different options. So the first option here, new chat. Second option, add contact, which we have done in the past. Third option is to scan. Last one is money. So what we need right here is money section. So when you click on money section, then it will connect, it will take you to this page. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on here and to agree to the terms of service and click on enable. So after you have enabled to payment section on WeChat, you will be given these options right here. You will be able to receive money, reward code, split bleed, and packet nearby. But one very and then the last one here, you can transfer to bank or mobile money. But one very disadvantages of using the mobile money section on WeChat is that you must have a Chinese bank card and you must have a Chinese citizen card before you can use payment section. This is because this simply means that not every WeChat user can enable WeChat Pay. So you have to have WeChat, you have to have Chinese bank card You have to have Chinese citizen card before you can enable this WeChat Pay, or Malaysia bank card or Malaysia citizen card. So those are the two countries that can use WeChat money. Okay, so let's quickly go back home. And next thing we want to do right here is that we need to know the full detail about chatting and what are the tricks and tips on chatting with someone on WeChat. So let's take a look at this person's right here. So I'm going to check out on this. So when you are chatting with someone on WeChat, so WeChat automatically translates the language. Okay, let's for instance you are chatting with somebody in China and the person speaks only Chinese language. He does not speak English language, and by default WeChat will automatically translate the chat for you without any stress. So that is for the chat. So under the chat section, you can use emoji just like when you are chatting on Facebook or on WhatsApp. Then under the chat section, you can use this plus sign button right here. So this plus sign button right here has to do with different options. So the first option here, you can send picture to the person you are chatting with. You can turn on live camera. You can video call with the person that you are chatting with. You can voice call with the person. This is just a new method, a new features right here. You can voice call. You can track the location. You can send a red packet. For you, before you can send a red packet, you need to know that you have to turn on you have to enable your WeChat Pay. Then you can also send transfer. You can send money to your friend on WeChat. You can voice input. So for you to send money, to transfer money, just click on here and it will bring out the amount you want to send. Type the amount and then click on transfer. So the money will be received by your friend. Okay, let's swipe, and then right here you can send a contact card, file, music, and favorites. You can send it to your friend that you are chatting with. So those are the features that you can still use for chat section. Another features on chat section is that you can click and hold down on your friend chat. Okay, when you click and hold down, just like what I did, so what are the things you can do? You can copy the text or chat. So if I click on here now, you can see it has been copied. I can click and hold down and paste it here. So you have copied the chat. So one of the tricks about chatting on WeChat is that. Then you can click and hold down again. Let's see some other information. So you can forward the message to another contact. You can add to your favorite. You can delete the message. You can select options, different options. You can quote the message. You can remind the message. You can translate the message. So if you want to translate the message, just click on translate. Then it will. So click on translate. Using translate, which I will translate the selected text into your current interface language. Translation results are only for references. So this is for people that does not, for instance, if the person you are chatting with does not understand English language, they can translate to your country language, which is whether you are Chinese speaker or you are Indonesia speaker. So just click on that and WeChat is going to translate it. So you can see it's rolling, but it give me the same message right here simply because I'm an English speaker. So if this message was typed in Chinese character and I try to translate, it will give me back in English language. So these are the techniques on how you can translate. So let me click and hold down and see what other thing we can do. We can also hide the text. Okay, so we can hide text. So if I click on hide text, then you will not see this message again. So it's as simple as that. So that is it. So right here, we can click and hold down again and make use of search. If we are looking for something similar to the chat, maybe somebody send us a message that need to be researched, so we can use search button. So if I click on search button, it will take me to nearby people. Okay, so let's take a look at it. So these are nearby people that I can search for. This also allows me to use camera icon right here to image search. So these are some of the tricks that you can use about chatting on WeChat section. Let's take a look at the three dots at the top right here and see what we can do when we are trying to chat. Now, right here, we can report a user. we can report a user, we can block a user, we can clear our chat using this clear chat history right here. So if you click on clear chat history, everything you have discussed with the person is going to be clear off. So we can also use mute notification right here. This button, we can turn it on. So when we turn the mute notification button on, it means that each time this person sending us message, the notification will be off. Then we can turn on the alert. Then you have not authorized the WeChat to create floating window on your phone, unable to do stuff like this. So I'm going to cancel that. So if you want the message to be displayed on your phone immediately, somebody send you a message on WeChat. So that is for sticky on top. Then alert, so it's something similar to sticky on top. Okay, so let's quickly go back. So this is what you can do about chat. You can delete chat, you can hide chat, you can also delete chat history. You can use this section here to send money to your WeChat friend. You can also use this button section right here to hide text or chat or whatever as far as chatting section is concerned on WeChat. So let's quickly go back home and see one other thing we can do. Now from the home page right here at the bottom here, we have a contact list. So when you click on that, all your contact is going to be found right here, such as new contact and old contact. So everything is going to be found right here. So you can make use of the top right here, this search engine right here, to type in the keyword of the friend you are looking for on your WeChat. So it's as simple as that. So this is another new method to add a new friend on WeChat. You can group chat right here using this option, then official account. So that is for if you have on WeChat. So the next section right here is discover. So let's see what we can do under discover section. Under discover section, from the top right here, you have moments, channel, scan, shake, top story, search, nearby people nearby, and mini program. Now under the moments right here, it allows you to see some moment posts by your WeChat friend list. Then the same thing as channel. Channel is just like TikTok. So when you click on channel, you'll be able to see different posts. Take a look at it. So that is channel for you. Then after the next one right here is scan. So under the scan, so let's click on scan. There are two things you can do on scan. You can use scan. So this person has accepted my friend request just now. Now under the scan, you can scan QR code to successfully complete the registration of a new WeChat user. That is for scan. Then another thing you can use under the scan section right here, you can use this scan also to send money to WeChat friend in China or anywhere using this scan section right here. What you need to do is to just click on album right here, then look for the QR code that was sent to you by the user, then use it to send money to them or to add them as a friend request. Another powerful things you can do under this scan section here is translate. So if I click on translate right here, this allows you to translate any language to English language. So let's, for instance, I click on here to check on, click on album right here. I will look for Chinese character screenshot in order for me to translate to English language. So I have one here. So once you upload the screenshot into the scan section, translate section, it's going to scan everything, then automatically it converts to English language. Then you can enlarge, so you can see everything right here is easily for me to read as an English speaker. So this is another things you can do under the scan at the translate section. After a successful translate, you can easily click on here to download the scan code, to download the image, or you click on here to translate. So let's quickly go back. So that is for section. Then people nearby is just when you are searching for people. Then this one also is when you are searching. Then top story is when you are trying to see more information on WeChat. So the mini program right here. So let's check out some of the mini program and what are the things you can do under the mini program section. So under the mini program section, you have your recently used app. These are my recently used apps. So let's quickly go back to the home page. Then the next thing we can do here is to click on me right here. So let's see what we can do under the main section. Under the main section right here, you have your name at the top, you have your WeChat ID, you have your QR code. Every account will definitely have their personal QR code. So let me just click on my profile detail right here. Then we can see everything. So right here, for me to right here, this is my WeChat ID. So this WeChat ID also can be used to send me a friend request on WeChat by another WeChat user. Then the next one here is my QR code. So if I click on here, then my QR code here also can be used to send me a friend request on WeChat by another WeChat user. So let's quickly go back. Then the next one here is more info. So under my account, more info. So under my account, more info, this is where you can change your gender. You can change your country right here. If you like, then you can write your status right here. So that is for more info. Ringtone for incoming calls. So you can choose the type of ringtone you would like for this section. You can also change your name right here. You click on here to change your name. It's as simple as that. You can click here to upload your profile account picture. So let's quickly go back. Then the next one right here, we have service. So under the service right here, what are the things you can do? This is where you have your WeChat wallet. So right here, so my balance is going to be found right here on WeChat. Then if you scroll down, you'll be able to see more programs, more apps that you can use on WeChat. The section of services here categorized into different sections. So the first section here is financial and services, followed by daily services, followed by travel and transportation. So you can scroll down and see the last option right here, which has to do with shopping and entertainment, whereby you have Pindodo, you have your Shayun app that allow you to buy goods fairly used. You have also used goods right here, flash sales right here, specials, event tickets can be purchased right here, and brand more can be visited. Then real estate also can be found right here. So these are just shopping and entertainment as far as this is concerned. So let's quickly go back to the home page right here. Then so let's quickly go back to the home page. Then another thing right here is on WeChat, another trick you can use on WeChat is extracting text from image. So let's, for instance, let me click on this chat box right here. So this image right here, let me quickly open it up. So if somebody send you an image right here, there are a lot of things you can do with an image sent to you like this. Now this image here, we can extract text from this image right here. So for us to do that, we just need to click on the three dots right here at the bottom here. When you click on the three dots, this is going to pop up and then you can see different options. So here we have send chat to. You can forward it to another person. We have add to favorite. We can search for it. We can open with another web page. We can download the image here. We can edit it. We can file in chat. We can translate. We can extract. So the most important one right here, the most powerful one right here is extract. So if I click on extract, you're going to see that all the text in this screenshot here will be extracted out, just like what you see right here. So you can see everything here, everything on that page has been fully extracted. So you can easily select all and copy all the text. It's as simple as that. Then we can close it. So it's as simple as that. So this is how you can use WeChat step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to click on that subscribe for more tutorial about WeChat topic. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.